Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the camera application, the same app you use for taking photos and recording videos. Step 2. Depending on your phone version, locate the settings. On older models, tap the settings icon at the top of the camera interface. On newer models, tap the menu icon at the bottom, then select the gear icon to access camera settings. Step 3. In the settings menu, find the Scan QR codes option and enable it. After enabling, return to the camera interface, position your camera over the QR code, and wait for a link to appear. Tap the link and it will automatically open in your browser. Step 4. Another quick method is through the Quick panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the panel, locate the Scan QR code option, and tap it. Then position your camera over the QR code. A pop-up link will appear. Tap it to open instantly. Step 5. If your Samsung model does not support the above methods, don't worry. You can use a trusted third-party QR code scanner app. Open the Google Play Store, search for a reputable scanner app, download and install it. Open the app, point your camera at the QR code and wait for the result. Tap open and it will take you to the link. By following these steps, you can scan QR codes easily on your phone without any hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.